Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Dress and Press DLC code on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Usually if we want to redeem the DLC code on Dress and Press, we need to use PC. But don't worry, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to redeem using your mobile phone. So first, you're going to go to your browser and then you're going to search for this DTI DLC. And this official website of Dress and Press will appear, and then you're going to scroll down. Okay, and this is the guide. Redeem through our DLC web portal. So this is the official partner of DTI, and then just tap on that, and then you're going to add your Roblox account right here. All right, this is my username and this is my account, and then you're going to enter your DLC code right here. Just click on redeem, and after that the item will be transferred to your account on DTI Roblox. That's super simple. Okay guys, and that's how you can redeem Dress and Press DLC code on mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.